This is Anushka Man and I welcome you all to French One Stop. In today's video, we are going to learn about les pays et les nationalités. Les pays et les nationalités. The countries and the nationalities. For example, India is a country and the nationality is Indian. America is a country and the nationality is American. So how do we say these things in French? We are going to learn today. So let's get started. First up, we have l'Amérique. L'Amérique, which is America. And the nationality is Américain, American. So we'll be adding an E to make the nationalities feminine. Americain, American. There would be some exceptions, but in most of the nationalities we are going to follow the rule wherein we'll add an E and make it feminine. So l'Amérique, Americain, American. Now America is the United States. So how do we say the United States? Les États-Unis. Les États-Unis. That is the United States. So if we want to say America in French language, we can either say Amérique or we can say les États-Unis. Le Brésil. Le Brésil, which is Brazil. And the nationality is Brazilian, 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 Brazilian. So over here, now there is an exception to the rule. We have added an N and E at the end to make the nationality feminine. Le Brésil, Brazilian, Brazilian. La Chine, La Chine. Chinois, Chinoise, Chinois, Chinoise. That is China, Chinese. Le Danemark, Le Danemark, which is Denmark. Le Danemark. Danois, Danoise, Danois, Danoise. L'Égypte, l'Égypte. Égyptien, égyptienne, égyptien, égyptienne. L'Angleterre, l'Angleterre. Anglais, anglaise, anglais, anglaise. La France, la France. Français, française, français, française. L'Allemagne, l'Allemagne. Allemand, allemande, allemand, allemande, which is German. Lundi, lundi. Indien, indienne, indien, indienne, which is Indian. Le Japon, le Japon. Japonais, japonaise, japonais, japonaise. Le Pakistan, le Pakistan. Pakistanais, pakistanaise, pakistanais, pakistanaise. La Russie, la Russie. Russe, 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 russe. So you see the masculine and feminine words for Russian is same. L'Espagne, l'Espagne. Espagnol, 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 espagnol. La Suisse, la Suisse. Swiss, Swiss. So you can see that for Switzerland, the name of the country and the nationality for both masculine and feminine is just the same. La Suisse is Switzerland and the nationality, that is Swiss, is Swiss, Swiss. So that's it for today, guys. The rest of the countries and the nationalities are mentioned in a document which is in the description box. I recommend that you check that document out after watching this video. See you in the next video. Au revoir.